This Dorian Bennett Sotheby's International Realty property video is presented by Bain. Extraordinary French Quarter Home. Ground floor features open floor plan with soaring ceilings, 17 feet, large open kitchen with 5-star range and bedroom/bath, with new steam sauna. Second floor includes primary bedroom and study, walk-in closet, large ensuite bath and 2 additional bedrooms with bath and large den. New roof with panoramic views of FQ, city and river from deck. New security, soundproofing and UV protection, HVACs. Large courtyard with parking for 3+ cars behind electric gate. For more information, review the details below or contact Bain at 504-452-4677.